Bitcoin crash imminent? Short-term holders fleeing. Hey there, crypto fanatics, welcome back to BitsPuls. Let's dive into the world of Bitcoin and see what's brewing, shall we? Now, you know how I love to spill the tea, so let's get straight to it. Short-term Bitcoin holders, they're bailing out quicker than a greased pig at a county fair. Apparently, they're starting to get a little spooked, which isn't exactly a surprise considering the current market climate. Meanwhile, the long-term hodlers, they're just sitting pretty, accumulating like they're prepping for the apocalypse. It's a classic case of the short-termers jumping ship while the long-termers are in it for the long haul. The price of Bitcoin is up, sure, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's a bit of a roller coaster ride, and we're still in the middle of a bumpy climb. Don't get too excited just yet, we're not out of the woods. Now, the recent price hike, it's all thanks to the Fed potentially trimming interest rates. Traders are hopping on board, but the reality is Bitcoin is still struggling. The head of research at CryptoQuant, Julio Moreno, is calling it a risk-averse environment. It's all about gold, those precious metals, not digital assets. And the worst part? Those short-term holders, they're selling at a loss. The fear is real, folks, and they're throwing in the towel. So what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? Well, the outlook isn't exactly sunny. The price is lagging behind the 50-day and 100-day simple moving averages, which is a pretty good indication that things aren't looking up. The MACD indicator is showing a slight glimmer of hope, but even that's not enough to convince me that Bitcoin is going to soar anytime soon. Don't even get me started on the Fear and Greed Index. It's at 31, which means fear is dominating the market. Not exactly a recipe for bullish sentiment. Okay, before I get all doom and gloom, let's lighten the mood. Get a welcome bonus of up to $5,500 for newcomers on the Bitunics cryptocurrency exchange. Click the link in the video description to get started. So, there you have it, folks. The current state of Bitcoin, a roller coaster ride with a hefty dose of uncertainty. Stay tuned for more news, and don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, keep it crypto!